Now what we're going to do for this worksheet is we're going to apply some conditional formatting to the service count and into our hours worked. Perhaps the boss of Atlas City Spa wants to know maybe who is not perhaps performing or doing enough services, right? So what we can do is we can create a rule that pretty much highlights by changing the font, the background color, the fill, if there's a certain number in that cell. Okay, so we will do that by selecting D6 through D17. Click on conditional formatting, and we are going to create a new rule. And based on that range, we are going to format only cells that contain a cell value that is less than 5. So pretty much who is not performing 5 services. Okay. Now, if I just click OK, no format is really going to appear. By clicking on the Format button, we can select how we want to format this. So up in the Font tab, we're going to use a bold font. And then under Fill, you can select this top orange color in your theme colors. Click OK. You'll see how this is formatted. So anyone that has 1, 2, 3, or 4 service count hours, this will highlight for them. So click OK, and you should see that applied to Veronica, Clara, and Bess. If, for instance, I change Bess's hours to 10, that formatting goes away, but we're going to keep it at 4. I'm going to follow a similar process for hours worked, and in here we want to highlight any employees who worked more than 80 hours. Select H6 down to H17. Up in conditional formatting, we will once again apply a new rule for format only cells that contain a cell value, and in this time we're going to type in greater than, and then we want to highlight any employees who work more than 70 hours. Again, we will format this. Your fill button will probably come up first. We're going to select the 4th blue color here in the 3rd column, and then under font we are going to bold that. Click OK, then select OK once again, and we're going to see any employees who worked more than 80 hours be highlighted.